Welcome to the very first episode of Pusheen Tales. Hi there, I'm Pusheen. You know, the cute grey cat you might have seen around. Today, I'm planning the perfect picnic for Zaira and our friends. Everything has to be just right. Oh no, the wind, our picnic. This is terrible. I've ruined everything. Wait a minute, maybe this could be fun. Hey friends, let's catch our flying picnic. Woohoo! This is the best picnic ever. Sometimes the most fun happens when things don't go as planned. I guess I learned that it's okay to just go with the flow. Next time, who knows what adventure we'll have. If you want to watch more such funny Pusheen tales, then don't forget to like and subscribe to Ishverse Infinity.